When you log into your ServiceNow instance with the Next Experience UI, you'll see everything you need to get to work right away. Your landing page provides content specific to your role and tasks all in one place. The first time you open your Next Experience landing page, you'll see a pop-up onboarding experience that walks you through the benefits of Next Experience. Administrators can edit the default onboarding experience or create a new one. When you've finished the walkthrough, you can close the top banner for more screen space. In our example, the landing page shows our assignments, links to critical tasks and new tasks, open tasks by priority, and so on. The bottom of the page provides links to additional tools and info. We can open records directly from our landing page and return to it by clicking the instance banner logo at the top left. And finally, if you'd like a different landing page, your administrator can designate one for you. Or if your administrator has enabled user-selected start pages, you can pick your own from the display preferences. For more information, see our product documentation or knowledge base, or ask a question in the ServiceNow community.